little artists, welcome back to Creative Art, where we draw, color, and have lots of fun. Today, we're going to draw a yummy, juicy fruit that's loved by almost everyone. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a mango. So sweet, so tasty. And now we're going to turn it into a super cute drawing. Let's start by drawing a big oval shape, but with a little curve at the top. This will be the body of our mango. Step 2. Now add a small curved stem at the top of the mango, like a little handle. Step 3. Next, let's draw a leaf attached to the stem. Just draw a long, curved shape like a smile and connect the ends. Coloring time. Great job drawing! Now it's time to color our mango. You can use yellow, orange, or even a bit of green. Mangoes come in many colors. Don't forget to color the leaf green and the stem brown. Let's make it bright and happy. You did such an awesome job today. If you had fun, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss more fun drawing videos.